I'm going for a walk to collect some sticks. You wanna come? Just going back there. Come on. I love it back here. Okay. Whoa. It's really buggy. We're gonna go back there. We're not gonna cut anything down. We're just gonna look on the forest floor and see what we can find. They're fallen branches, obviously dead. Nothing that's rotten or like inhabited by a ton of bugs, or looks like it's being used for something, you know, animal shelter or whatever. So we're just gonna look around and see what we can find. So by the time I got the branches back, it was about 9. It was just too late to keep going with it. So I left them and I thought I'll get to it this morning. We're out for our walk in the forest. This is Sharky. That's Howard. I'm gonna collect a few more sticks and drag them back. First wrestling match. Thinking about dragging this one home. I might have to leave the other ones behind. That's okay, I can come back for them. Sharky, look! No hands. Oh, Howard, not in the mud, bud. Howard. No. Oh God. Oh my God. Help. It's like, well, okay. Well, that's unfortunate. Okay, let's see. Anyways, that's okay. We're still good. I'm gonna go get my branches though. You didn't lose a shoe. That's the positive. Let's keep going, guys. All right, so I'm gonna use my handsaw and I'm gonna cut this one up. I just wanna cut it into some smaller hunks that are a little bit more manageable, or just smaller that I can even store in that magical stick shed. I'll take you through my magical stick shed later. Looks good inside. Okay. So let's work with this one.